This is a quick glimpse of a longer video I've wanted to do about the Rosendale Cement. On this day I was doing a survey and thought I'd check out the famous Widow Jane Mine. It's a former cement mine that's located west of Rosendale, New York. It was active from 1825 until 1970, but is now part of the Snyder Estate Natural Cement Historic District. Rosendale cement was always considered the hardest cement on earth, used to build most of New York City, including the base of the Statue of Liberty. Watch out for the Widow Jane. She's supposed to haunt this place.
Oh, is that what it is?
That's what it is.
That's the story?
It doesn't look very safe, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Does not. Since closing in 1970, the unique acoustics of this chamber have led to the use of a performance venue. In my opinion, it's probably not a good idea, but that's what they do. I didn't have a flash on my camera. I didn't even know if it would work with the video, but I also wasn't prepared with a flashlight. But this is a really steep slope that goes down to the accumulating water from a spring or from runoff up above. Boy, look at this. They're like big trees.
Yeah. I'm sure they strategically left pillars to hold everything up.
Well, yeah, that's explained in the museum, but this is wild. It does not look safe at all.
No, it doesn't.
Looks like a great place for popping rock syndrome.
Is that a stage? They don't have that.